In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Chrome shortcut to desktop in Windows. Full guide. To begin, open the Start menu on your computer. Once the Start menu is open, use the search bar and type Chrome. As you type, Windows should show Google Chrome in the search results. This is the quickest way to locate the app, especially if it is already installed but not pinned anywhere. Convenient. When you see Google Chrome in the results, right-click on it. A menu will appear with more options. From that menu, select Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where the Google Chrome shortcut or program file is stored. This step is helpful because it gives you direct access to the app icon that Windows uses. After the file location opens, you can create or move a shortcut from there to your desktop. If needed, make sure you are working with the Chrome icon shown in that folder, since that is the one you want easy access to. Once it is on the desktop, you will be able to launch Chrome with a single click whenever you need it. That covers everything you need to know.